what's poppin', y'all? It's your girl, the SASS, exploring all the finer things in life. If you're new here or if you're returning and haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can see more videos from me. Okay guys, this week's video is another one of my unboxing and reviews. I had went out and I had bought a new vacuum. So I'll be unboxing with you the 3-in-1 lightweight vacuum from Bissell. It's right here. Right over here. I've been looking for a vacuum for a very long time. Not one of those big old like heavy vacuums, but something small, something that's easy to store. And I saw this. I went to Walmart a couple weeks ago and I saw this vacuum right here, and I decided to pick it up. I decided to pick it up and see what this vacuum is all about. We are living in modern times. Ain't no one having no big old hefty vacuum to be carrying around the house anymore. We want small, lightweight, easy to storage, easy to carry. This is the 3-in-1 lightweight vacuum. It says multi-purpose versatile, easily converts to a hand vacuum. That's good because I need a little hand vacuum for my car. And yes, easy wrap cord storage, on and off switch, easy empty dirt cup, easy glide wheels, removable floor nozzles. Yeah, so I decided that I should unbox this with you guys. Like I said, I got it from Walmart. I spent about 30 bucks. I actually thought it was like 60 bucks because there was like a whole row of them. 2 different vacuums I saw put together, and I thought this was the one that was like for $69.99. This was actually $30, okay, for this. So I want to try it out because sometimes you get what you pay for, okay? So yes, let's unbox this together. This is how it looks on the inside. Ooh. Comes with this piece. This looks like, oh, this is the bottom part right here. This is the main piece. This looks like the hand part, the hand vacuum, you know. And it comes with this. Let's put it together. Let's put it together and see what happens, hunty. This looks pretty straightforward. So, seems pretty easy. I'm not using the instruction unless I run into technical difficulties, but oh my god, I hope I don't break it. As you can see, I'm putting in this. So I just put this part in here, right here. I am now gonna attach this handheld part. Where does it go? I think it goes right here. Flip that open. That's the little knob. Oops. Perfect. And then it has that thing right here where you can snap it back in. And voila, ladies and gentlemen. Easy, easy. I didn't even need to like follow the instructions. This is pretty much what it is. So let's try out this vacuum. Let's try it out. Let's see if it works. Let's see how good it is. Let's see if it's worth my little 30 bucks or am I getting what I paid for, which is you go cheap, you get cheap. Let's just test it out. So right here, I've got some new and old plants that are dying to be repotted. Like they've been overgrown. As you can see, some of these plants are dying because like they've been in the pot so long, it's time to transfer them into bigger pots. So we're gonna make a mess. We're gonna make a mess, repot these plants so that we could try out our new vacuum. Okay guys, so it pretty much took up all of my soil that I had here. But you know what? We can't just try it on floors, like wooden floors. We gotta try it on some carpet. So I'm gonna take some of this little dirt that I have over here and sprinkle a bit on my carpet and see what happens. Are going into the end of my video, so what I will say is that this 3-in-1 vacuum did what it was supposed to do for 30 bucks. I know there's a couple times when I was vacuuming the soil, because the soil was so like thick, I need to you know, vacuum over it a couple of times so it can suck up all the soil, but for the most part it still did. I think it goes in that little hole, so it's not like a big hole, it's like just this hole that it goes in, you know what I mean? And yeah, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it. I put soil on my carpet, as you see, and it was like it pretty much like picked up the little bit of soil that I put on my carpet, so it works there. I would say, like, if you have any like big items like hair on carpet or stuff like that, I don't think it would work. You'd have to really like put force in just to like take it out, but for the most part it does what it needs to do. It does what it needs to do. And yes, I will actually probably give you guys an update, see how it works for like the rest of my house, because downstairs part of my house is flooring and the top is carpet. So I'm gonna test it out and see how it works with the rest of the house, honey. I didn't even see how it tries with the, you know what, let's take this off. You think it's gonna fall off? Oh, I'm scared. Oh, that's all the dirt in there. So it fills up pretty fast. There's not like, you know, space where you can, you know, like I feel like after like one good use, you should empty it. I didn't even see, oh! Ooh! How do you empty it? Hold on, oops guys. Oops. Okay, so I just pulled off one part. You probably pulled, oh, yeah. Okay, look. Is that like a filter or something? So that's all the soil. Oop, did it fall? No. That's all the soil that I picked up from the floor. I'm gonna actually pour some more of this on the floor, and let's try out the handheld. Let's see how it works with just, you know, the shorter version, this one. It should still work, but we want to try it out. We want to try out all aspects. So this is me using it with the long handle as a stick. Now we're gonna try it with just a, you know, just to see. Okay guys, just to put it out there, it actually worked even better as a handheld vacuum. I think because the hole is probably much bigger, it just sucked up pretty much everything. So like, yes. What would I rate this vacuum out of 10? I'm gonna give it a 9.5 because, okay, number one, works perfectly like this. It's easy to attach, detach, like you don't have to be doing the most to just take it apart, okay? Number two, like I said, this alone just works powerful. The 0.5 that is missing is that the end piece, like it takes, like if you have like a lot of dirt, it's gonna take a while to, not too long, but just you're gonna have to keep going over and over and over. So that's where I feel like it lost point. But this is like, yes, this is worth 30 bones, honey. And like, pretty much this is it. Like, I can just take the handle off, put it back on, and I'm good to go. I'm happy with the product. Like, I can easily store this, no problem. It won't be in the way. It'll just be like, yeah. Anyways, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, just like I would, because this product is actually worth the $30 that I spent, if not more. It did the job. And yes, I'll see you guys next week for my next video. Bye, y'all.